If you're looking to add a custom branding logo to practice better, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make your brand stand out, but stay tuned because I'm also going to share a better alternative that you might want to consider at the end. Let's dive in. First off, once you've logged into your Practice Better account, you'll need to navigate to the Settings tab. It's located on the bottom left corner of your screen, so go ahead and click that. You'll see a list of options for customizing your platform. Look for the Branding section. Now, click on Logo and you'll be prompted to upload your custom logo image. It's as simple as dragging and dropping your file or clicking the Upload button to select it from your computer. Make sure your logo file is clear and high resolution. Practice Better doesn't specify a size, but generally, you'll want something around 500px wide for optimal quality. You'll see the preview on the screen once it's uploaded. Next thing you'll want to do is make sure the logo fits properly. If your logo looks stretched or pixelated, consider resizing the image or adjusting the proportions before uploading again. It's key to have a clean, professional logo that represents your brand well. You might need to play around a bit with different formats, such as .png or JPG, to see which one works best. The fourth thing you'll need to do is save the changes. Once your logo looks perfect, scroll down to the bottom of the branding page and hit Save. It's easy to forget this step, but it's essential for your changes to take effect. Now that your logo is successfully uploaded, let's move on to customizing the rest of your branding. You'll also see options to change your color scheme and add a custom domain if you'd like. This is great if you want to make your Practice Better account look and feel more like your business website. While Practice Better offers these options, you're somewhat limited when it comes to further customization, which is why I'm going to recommend a different platform at the end of the video. One important thing to note, Practice Better is a solid choice for healthcare and wellness professionals, but if you're looking for a platform that offers more customization options and flexibility in branding, you might want to explore other options. Now, you may have noticed some restrictions when trying to truly make your branding unique within Practice Better. If you're finding these limitations frustrating, stick around, because I'm about to show you a few alternatives that offer much more in terms of personalization. So, if you've been looking for a way to add a custom branding logo to Practice Better and want a platform that takes your branding to the next level, stay tuned. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that we've partnered with a platform that offers an exclusive extended free trial. If you sign up through our link, you'll get access to some incredible benefits that other users won't have. Plus, the alternatives I'll share at the end also have free trials that might be a better fit for your branding goals. Be sure to check out the first link in the description to claim your best free trial and exclusive perks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.